For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a dog training business can be a rewarding venture, especially with a growing demand for obedient, well-behaved pets. Whether you're a certified trainer or a passionate dog lover with practical experience, leveraging free AI tools can help you launch your business with minimal cost and maximum efficiency. This step-by-step guide outlines how to start your dog training business using free AI, from idea to execution. Step 1. Define your business concept and services. Begin by identifying your niche and target customers. Decide whether you want to focus on basic obedience, advanced training, behavioral modification, puppy training, or service dog preparation. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm and define your offerings clearly. Prompt: help me define a niche and list specific services for a dog training business. Include descriptions for each service. ChatGPT will help generate a detailed outline of your services, their benefits, and how they should be delivered, such as in-home sessions, group classes, or virtual training. Step 2. Create a business plan with AI. A business plan is essential to organize your strategy and attract potential partners or funding. ChatGPT can structure your business plan, including sections like market analysis, competitive edge, operations plan, and pricing strategy. Prompt: create a detailed business plan for a dog training business that offers in-home and virtual obedience training sessions. Include executive summary, target market, competitive analysis, marketing strategy, pricing, and financial projections. For financial projections, use Google Sheets with built-in functions to calculate costs, revenue, and profit margins. You can ask ChatGPT to suggest Excel formulas or templates. Step 3. Choose a name and create a brand identity. Your business name should be memorable and relevant to dog training. Use a free AI name generator like Namelix, which uses keywords to generate creative, brandable business names. Prompt: generate business name ideas for a professional dog training company focused on positive reinforcement. Once you have a name, create a logo using Canva's AI-powered logo maker. Canva's free templates allow customization of colors, fonts, and symbols to match your business identity. Step 4. Set up a website using free AI tools. A website builds your credibility and allows potential clients to learn about your services and book appointments. Use Wix or WordPress with free AI-driven website builders that guide you through layout selection, design, and content suggestions. Prompt: write homepage copy for a dog training business that offers puppy classes, behavioral sessions, and virtual training. You can also use Durable.co to generate an entire small business website in minutes with AI-driven content and layout. Step 5. Create marketing materials and strategies with AI. To attract clients, you'll need digital and print marketing materials. Use ChatGPT to generate content for flyers, social media, email campaigns, and local advertisements. Prompt: create a digital flyer headline and promotional message for a dog training business offering a free first session for new clients. Use Canva to design professional flyers and social media posts. For social media management, you can use Buffer's free plan to schedule and analyze posts. Develop a marketing strategy with ChatGPT to reach pet owners in your area. Prompt: create a 30-day marketing plan for launching a local dog training business. Include online and offline promotion ideas. Step 6. Offer training resources and content with AI help. Position yourself as an expert by creating blogs, videos, or ebooks on dog behavior and training tips. Use ChatGPT to write articles or scripts. Prompt: write a 500-word blog post on crate training and its benefits for dog owners. You can then use tools like Pictory.ai, free trial available, to turn these scripts into short training videos with stock footage and voiceovers. Step 7. Set up online booking and communication tools. Simplify customer interactions with free AI tools like Calendly for online booking and Google Forms for collecting information before consultations. Prompt: create a Google form layout for new dog training clients that collects dog info, training goals, and availability. You can also use ChatGPT to write automated email responses or client welcome emails. Prompt: write a welcome email for new dog training clients, including session details, policies, and contact information. Step 8. Register your business and get insured. Use ChatGPT to walk through legal setup steps relevant to your area. It can suggest what licenses or registrations you may need. Prompt: what are the steps to legally register a dog training business in Florida? Also ask it to help you find free or affordable business insurance quotes for small pet-related businesses. While ChatGPT can't access real-time quotes, it can guide you on what coverage to look for. Step 9. Collect reviews and improve service with AI feedback tools. After each training session, ask clients to leave a review. Use Google Forms or free tools like Typeform to create feedback surveys. Prompt: create a 5-question feedback form for dog training clients to evaluate the session quality and suggest improvements. Analyze client responses with ChatGPT to identify trends and improve your offerings. Prompt: summarize the key takeaways from this client feedback. Paste answers here. Suggest ways I can improve my dog training service. Step 10. Scale your business with AI automation. Once your operations are running smoothly, use free AI tools to automate repetitive tasks. Use ChatGPT to generate standard responses to FAQs or create lesson plans. Prompt: create a 4-week dog obedience training plan with 1 session per week. Each session should include objectives, exercises, and homework. You can also use Notion AI or Trello with built-in automation to manage client lists, appointments, and follow-ups efficiently. Prompt: set up a Notion page template to manage dog training clients, including contact info, training goals, and session notes. Conclusion: launching a dog training business using free AI tools is entirely feasible and highly efficient. With the help of ChatGPT and other intelligent platforms, you can quickly create your brand, business plan, marketing assets, training content, and customer management system, all at little to no cost. These tools empower you to focus on what you love most, working with dogs and their owners to create better relationships. As you grow, continue using AI to refine your strategy, scale your outreach, and maintain a strong edge in a competitive industry. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.